As business processes increasingly depend on IT to deliver greater value and competitive advantage, the risk of downtime is a serious threat. If your IT assets aren't working, neither are you. And the repercussions can extend beyond your company and impact your clients, business partners, and vendors. Many IT organizations simply put out fires as they occur without thinking about how to prevent them in the first place. But this reactive approach can be costly. Aside from the financial loss caused by unexpected downtime, the damage done to a company's reputation and customer relationships can be crippling. It's essential to have ongoing, comprehensive, and proactive support to limit IT support problems and simplify IT management. While today's smarter infrastructures dramatically optimize IT services, they can be complex. They often include multi-vendor environments that leverage technologies like virtualization and provisioning, and new computing models like cloud can introduce new exposures and risks. IBM Maintenance and Technical Support Services mitigates support complexities, reduces support costs, and eases the burden on in-house support staff. Our services take a proactive, broadly integrated approach to hardware, software, and multi-vendor environments to offer you new ways to quickly save time and money and improve IT system availability. And with preventative support services like remote alert and monitoring systems, we can help you prevent outages and downtime, not just fix them after the fact. Our robust portfolio of hardware maintenance, software support, solution support, and managed support services allows you to choose the right level of support to meet your unique needs and budget requirements. You benefit from reduced risk, reduced costs, and improved levels of service. Typically, when organizations have a right-sized level of IBM support services, they can improve system availability, reduce hardware, software, and network support costs by up to 20%, and simplify internal administration. IBM provides proven support infrastructure and skills with a 94% first action plan success rate. With 77 world-class centers providing remote technical support, we're able to resolve many problems remotely. But of course, with our extensive global reach, our skilled technicians can come to you if we need to. IBM provides consistent tools worldwide with regional and localized support so you get help where and when you need it. We have more than 15,000 experienced support specialists worldwide, specialists who know technology like no one else. And we have an industry-leading global service parts distribution infrastructure with 400 parts distribution centers and service logistics network availability around the clock. IBM Maintenance and Technical Support Services helps keep your systems available and running at peak performance to support your business. To learn more, visit the URL on your screen.